Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, gems. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So gems, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, gems, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So gems, this is like center of my spread, gems. I have the Six of Cups in reverse, which means this could have been a beautiful partnership. But yes, it went wrong somewhere, gems. Maybe because of the third party, or maybe now somebody wants to get back. They want to leave all these troubles behind and maybe, come to a place of peace. But I do see that somebody was a bit unemotional at the previously and never really opened up to their person. Just give me a second, gems. Yeah. Sorry, I was just checking if my phone was, the ringer was off. So as I was saying, yes, somebody was a little emotionally closed off, maybe. It drained their partner totally because, one person was giving to the connection all the time. The other person was not opening up, emotionally, maybe being cold or not offering this brand new beginning, which you maybe both actually secretly hoped for. And some communication happened. Some conversations happened which ruined this connection. Some secrets came out about why this person couldn't have a new beginning or why this person was not offering a new beginning or something like that. Came out as very playerish, maybe a bit immature, and that's the reason I think of this conflict. But now somebody does want to leave the conflict, maybe find happiness once again, maybe reconcile with this Queen of Cups once again. So let's see, let's start with some dialogue message cards, Gemini. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. And then we'll clarify the cards. Gemini and their person. Let's take a few more from here. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person, Spirit. Thank you. And I'll take a couple more from here. Gemini and their person, Spirit. Okay, Gemini, let's start your reading. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. See, I think this is this Queen of Cups who's saying this to the King of Swords in reverse. That why are you so cold all the time? Why don't you open up? Why don't you tell me how you feel? Instead of, hiding your true feelings, being so cold and calculating. And yes, we do communicate, but where is that love offer? Nothing is more terrifying and simultaneously delightful than having to bear witness of how our distinctive souls are joined energetically for eternity. I understand if you're feeling scared because it scares the F out of me too. See, this did feel like a soulmate connection. This seemed when you guys met like you've known each other for lifetimes or, had a good friendship going. But some things have happened now which kind of created a rift between the two of you. Would you just holding back? Would you just stop holding back? Lay it all on me. I want you to reveal your true self to me. Tell me your hopes, your dreams, your fears, and your vulnerabilities. What makes you tick? And what do you truly desire? See, again, another reference to communicating, yes, but never revealing true feelings. Always being emotionally closed off. And that's, I think, pushed the other person also now to feel, I can't be the only one giving. I'm drained out. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. and the thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. So these are all unspoken feelings which maybe have been shown but never told. I didn't run away from you, I ran away from myself. It's all deep down to my deep fear of rejection and insecurities. And that's the reason I think this King of Swords is always held back, and maybe the Queen of Cups as well now, because feeling, what if I get rejected? What if I put my heart there and the other person doesn't want it? I didn't think it was possible to feel so much. Thoughts of you fill my head. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I've caused you. Can you ever forgive me? I need some time to collect my thoughts. I'm under so much stress. I've never felt such an intense connection. Of course, soulmate connections are, you feel like, what is this? I've known this person forever, feel an energetic pull and an energetic tie towards them. But maybe these feelings were never really spoken, that offer was never made. So, Gemini, let's start your reading. Before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels are going to bless this reading. My angel spirit guides for Gemini, please. Oh, blessings of abundance are on their way for you. You get a blessing, gems, blessings of abundance. And abundance just doesn't mean money, Gemini. Of course, that's needed. But when the angels bless you with abundance, it's a never-ending stream of happiness. And that could include wealth, health, happiness, and love. So that's your blessing for this week. And let's now get on with your reading and let's see what's happening. King of Swords Spirit in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. King of Swords in reverse, maybe they've never been able to come forward. They do want to return, but maybe they have some problem, there's some issue about moving towards their partner right now. There could be distance between the two of you. The thoughts are there though, because I don't think this King of Swords has ever really, kind of expressed what they felt. And they may be waiting and thinking of this time apart, maybe giving them time to reflect on all that has been done or not done in this connection. I think the more this King of Swords is now thinking about, how closed off emotionally, I guess you both were, the more they are kind of feeling unhappy and wanting to return, but not right now, because I see the Chariot in reverse at the moment. There is some distance between the two of you at the moment. Yes, but passions are running high, Gemini. The passion is still very strong. This person really does want to move forward, but is not being able to. So I think using their time well, reflecting, thinking about what should have been done, what could have been done, what was not done, and definitely feeling that passion and drive to come back or get their partner back towards them. So Queen of Cups Spirit, Queen of Cups, Queen of Cups, Queen of Cups has had a Tower moment. Queen of Cups is feeling totally drained out. They felt that, hey, this was shocking to know that, that this person is not interested. I thought we were all in, and this was like a shock to me when this person never really offered me this new beginning, because I was expecting a beautiful start to a very stable relationship. And now this Queen of Cups feels everything has just stalled, everything is just stuck, nothing is moving now. And they are on the verge of making some kind of a decision. I'm not going to wait around forever for this person to come back to me or say something to me. I don't want to be made into a fool here. So what's this Fool card in reverse, Spirit? Yeah, somebody feels the other partner maybe played them for a fool. This Queen of Cups feels fooled by this King of Swords now. Feels that, they fooled me, didn't bring justice, didn't bring balance to this connection. As time is going by, this Queen of Cups, I think, has got that clarity that maybe this King of Swords was never interested. So Eight of Wands, because there was a lot of communication between the two of you, but I don't think anybody really put in the work. And this connection, instead of going forward, has backfired, even though the feeling of love is still there, Gemini, that feeling of we love each other, but because nobody put in the work, things haven't really moved. So the communication may have been there, hidden love was there, but physical, actual work to, kind of make this connection a connection never really happened. Then that's the reason it backtracked. Now there's a bit of problem. Six of Cups is in reverse. Maybe some bad memories have been created now. Somebody, I think, was being a bit ungrounded. Maybe they were chasing after their own dreams and wishes. Maybe there was a third party. Maybe they had money issues at that point. I don't know what happened here. But somebody does want to now come back. This is like, I want a restart. I want a re-beginning. I'm not confused anymore. I've made my choice. I know the cup I want. Okay? But I don't think as yet anything's been said. Page of Cups in reverse. Yeah, there's some delay going on. Why is that, Spirit? Why is there a delay in coming forward with a love offer or an apology? Maybe there's separation, and there's a lot of overthinking as well, Gemini. There's a lot of sleepless nights, maybe worried, yes, not being able to, maybe worried that they never chose wisely. Maybe they were pulled between two options, and now they're worried that, when the time was right, I delayed it for too long. I never gave that love offer when the time was right. So somebody is really, really stressed about their indecision or choice not to make a decision. Okay, so the Moon, I think they're also worried. They're also very worried that they've lost this connection now. They feel all the secrets are out now about why they were not making a decision. Whatever the reasons were, I don't know, Gemini, they could have been a third party, they could have been like, somebody wanting a friends with benefits or something, I don't know. But once somebody here, even though now the choice is clear, they are a little worried that their love offer will not be accepted, and they've lost their soulmate forever because of whatever has come out in the open now. They feel their person is going to now cut them off. Yes, they feel it's all ended because maybe at one point somebody thought they were the best. Okay, they could get away with anything, and maybe they had a bit of pride, and they never made that decision when the time was right. Now they feel, oh my God, this kind of behavior has ended this connection now. Maybe my soulmate, this person, this Queen of Cups, doesn't love me anymore. They know the truth now. Maybe they see me as very immature now. Maybe they see me as a player. Yes. Yeah, Knight of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Wands. But they don't want to be a player anymore. That's what it's telling me. This upright would be, somebody who dips in and out of people's life, is only there for the passion. But Spirit is saying, no, this person doesn't want to be like that anymore. Now they know who their soulmate is. They do want to end this conflict and, move on to a happier space with their partner. So, Six of Swords. Yeah, somebody doesn't want to end this chapter. Somebody doesn't want to end this chapter. They want another go around, Gemini. They do want to reconcile. They want to come back, and they want to reunite with their person. This is a card of reconciliation, celebration, not ending something. I can't let you go. Let's end this conflict and, kind of be happy once again. That's what this person wants. One more. Yeah, see, death in reverse again. This is death would be like ending of a relationship, but here it signifies somebody not wanting things to change, holding on, not wanting this connection to die. They want to come back to their soulmate, but they're a bit afraid right now because I think they've delayed making that choice for too long, and they fear that now maybe they've lost the love of their person. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.